3, 2, 1.
Which artist's version of the song The Tide is High came first? The answer is A. The Paragons. Who played the Sun Baby in the original run of Teletubbies? The answer is A. Jessica Smith. What is the nickname of Northampton Town's rugby union club? The answer is C. Saints. When the Falcon Heavy was launched on its test flight, what was the only part of the operation that failed? The answer is C. Center core landing. In African mythology, Anansi is a trickster and storyteller who takes the shape of which animal? The answer is A. Spire. In a 1994 CBS interview, Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates performed what unusual trick on camera? The answer is C. Jumping over an office chair. In Norse mythology, what is the name of the serpent which eats the roots of the ash tree Yggdrasil? The answer is C. Nidhogg. In which Call of Duty game are the Apothicons introduced in the Zombies mode? The answer is B. Call of Duty Black Ops Roman 3. Who directed the movies Pulp Fiction, Reservoir Dogs, and Django Unchained? The answer is B. Quentin Tarantino. Nephalokakija is the practice of doing what? The answer is D. Finding shapes in clouds. What is the thin, outermost layer of the Earth? The answer is D. Crust. What were Marcel Duchamp's ready-mades? The answer is D. Utilitarian objects elevated to the status of art. In Undertale, how much do spider donuts cost in Hotland? The answer is C. 9,999 G. What weak point of Achilles was exploited by the Trojan prince, Paris? The answer is C. Heel. Who is one of the co-princes of Andorra? The answer is C. The President of France. In Marvel Comics, Taurus is the founder and leader of which criminal organization? The answer is A. Zodiac. What is the name of the main character from the series, Dead Space? The answer is D. Isaac Clarke. Out of these four buildings, which one is the tallest, with a height of 1,483 ft 451.9 m? The answer is C. Petronas Twin Towers, Malaysia. Which language is not Indo-European? The answer is C. Hungarian. Psych Horror Eternal Darkness, Sanity's Requiem, developed by Silicon Knights in 2002, was published by who and on what platform? The answer is A. Nintendo Registered Co. Limited. GameCube trademark. Which wrestler won the 2019 Men's Royal Rumble? The answer is D. Seth Rollins. When was the DVD invented? The answer is B. 1995. What is the tallest mountain in Canada? The answer is C. Mount Logan. In the television show Breaking Bad, what is the street name of Walter and Jesse's notorious product? The answer is B. Blue Sky. Which planet in the solar system is the closest to the Sun? The answer is D. Mercury. What do sailors call the back of a boat? The answer is C. Stern. In Portal 2, which solar system body did Wheatley end up orbiting? The answer is B. The Moon. Which species is a mountain chicken? The answer is B. Frog. In Rick and Morty, from which dimension do Rick and Morty originate from? The answer is D. C-137. What is Canada's smallest province? The answer is A. Prince Edward Island. What is the famous Papa John's last name? The answer is C. Schneider. What is the name of the formerly rich fishing grounds off the island of Newfoundland, Canada? The answer is C. Grand Banks. Directly between the Washington Monument and the reflecting pool is a memorial to which war? The answer is A. World War II. When was the Declaration of Independence approved by the Second Continental Congress? The answer is D. July 4, 1776. Which of these names was an actual code name for a cancelled Microsoft project? The answer is B. Neptune. What style of beer will typically have a higher than average hop content? The answer is C. India Pale Ale. Which of the following countries ban the use of personal genetic ancestry tests? The answer is A. Germany. What is the name of the default theme that is installed with Windows XP? The answer is A. Luna. The mobile game Jetpack Joyride was released in what year? The answer is D. 2011. In the Call of Duty Zombies map Origins, where is Stamina Up located? The answer is A. Generator 5. Europa Universalis is a strategy video game based on which French board game? The answer is D. Europa Universalis. Which of these is not a team available in the game Pokémon Go? The answer is D. Team Rocket. What was the name of the device used by Scarecrow and Batman, Arkham Knight to cover Gotham in fear gas? The answer is D. The Cloudburst. Who wrote the play Angels in America? The answer is C. Tony Kushner. When did Norway get its constitution? The answer is A. 1814. How many values can a single byte represent? The answer is B. 256. Who scored the injury time winning goal in the 1999 UEFA Champions League final between Manchester United and Bayern Munich? The answer is A. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. The song Three Lions by the Lightning Seeds was made for which major football event in 1996? The answer is A. European Championships. What is the relationship between Rick and Morty in the show Rick and Morty? The answer is C. Grandfather and grandson. Virgin Trains, Virgin Atlantic and Virgin Racing are all companies owned by which famous entrepreneur?